Hi, lovely people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Hope you guys are doing well. This is Pace Adeze. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I prepare this special yummy stew. Stay tuned and watch me fry the stew. For the ingredients, you need tomatoes, long sweet pepper, red bell pepper, scotch bonnet, ginger, garlic, onion, nutmeg, seasoning cubes, salt to taste, tomato paste, and beef. So let's get started. Wash and season the beef. Add beef spices, onion, and salt to taste, and start cooking. Cook till the beef is soft. When the beef is soft, grill in the oven or deep fry it. Choice is entirely yours. I grilled mine. Chop the onions and blend the tomatoes, peppers, garlic, ginger. Place a pot on a burner and pour some oil. Preheat the oil and add the chopped onion. Stir and add the tomato paste. After a while, you add the blended tomato and pepper mixture. Keep stirring. This time, you have to make sure your cooker is on a low heat so that the tomato doesn't get burnt. Remember to reduce the burner to low heat while frying so that it doesn't burn. At this point, you can cover the pot and fry the stew so as to avoid splashing. Fry until the tangy taste of the tomato is gone. The stew is well fried when the oil is separated from the stew. At this point, add the seasoning cubes, add salt to taste, add spices, the nutmeg, curry powder, and other spices. Add the beef stock. This is my grilled beef. Yeah, look at that. Then add the beef. Stir and cover to cook for about 5 minutes. And it's done. Look at that. It's ready to be served. You can have this with rice, yam, boiled yam, fried yam, plantain, boiled plantain, fried plantain, pasta. The list goes on and on and on. So that is it for this special yummy stew recipe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video, share and leave your comments in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to my channel. I will see you again in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.